Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to create knuckles using civil site design on BricsCAD. First, open BricsCAD and load your road plan. Go to the Roads tab, click on Network Strings and select Knuckle. A window will pop up to help you set up the knuckle. Start by giving your knuckle a name for easy access later, then click on the button to select the adjacent road for that knuckle. Now let's go over the different knuckle types. Knuckle Type 1 is ideal for small widening areas, offering basic geometry and smooth transitions. Knuckle Type 2 provides more flexibility with multiple radii, making it perfect for larger areas where smoother turns are required. Knuckle Type 3 gives the most control with options like tangents and offsets, making it ideal for complex areas that require high precision. In this tutorial, we'll be using the Use Alignment option. This allows you to apply an existing alignment from your project to define the knuckle's geometry. It's an efficient way to ensure the knuckle integrates seamlessly into your overall road design. Simply select the alignment name or choose one from the list, then click Create Update Alignment. Next, you'll be prompted with the string creation options. Choose the string type and section spacing, make any necessary adjustments, and click Create Update String. Your knuckle will be generated in just a few seconds. If needed, you can always return to edit the knuckle later. And of course, you can edit the surface display by accessing the Surface Manager for additional refinements, where you can adjust options such as the interval. And there you have it. A quick and simple way to create and customize knuckles, ensuring smooth transitions and precision in your road plan. Ready to streamline your designs? Contact us for a free trial of BricsCAD and civil site design and start exploring the possibilities today.